Shalom friends, welcome back to my channel. And if you're here for the first time, welcome to Review with Stas. Alrighty guys, so if you're new here though, as I was saying before, I'm just a mom and a wife on the YouTube doing the reviews. So stay tuned if you want to see some fun reviews. I'm gonna review just about anything, but right into this video we will go. So as you can see from the title, we're going to be reviewing some yarn today. Woohoo! So guys, just a little bit of backstory. I have taken up a new hobby. It's nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy, but it's crocheting. And I must say, it's really good. It's really good. It did intimidate me in the beginning, but the girl is here and I'm loving it. I love crocheting. So I think I'm qualified to review this yarn for you all. So stay tuned and I'm gonna tell you what's the tea with this yarn. Alright, so the brand we're gonna be reviewing today is Caron. That's where the yarn is from. Now Caron, guys, is a company that offers yarn and crafting supplies, and that's for, you know, all your knitting and crocheting projects. So if it's a case where you are looking for reasonably priced yarn, then you can definitely check out Caron on the Amazon website, and my link will be in the description below. I do make commission off, you know, all qualifying purchases because I am a Amazon associate. The word was eluding me for a second. I couldn't remember what I was. But anyways, we're gonna be reviewing this yarn today. So it's gonna be pinned in the comment section, and it's also going to be in the description below. So clicky click and you'll get what you need. Now, the color that we're working with for this yarn is soft sage. Now, I'm loving me some soft sage because, can you tell? So the color is really nice. I like soft tones, and I really like the fact that it complements my skin. So that's a big fat plus for this color. And it's also a medium weight yarn. Let's talk just a little bit more about it being a medium weight yarn. So medium weight simply just means that it's not too bulky and it's not too slim, right? So this is the yarn. I did take the liberty of having, you know, a little bit out. This is the yarn, and this is a thicker yarn. No, Honeybee is not sponsoring this video, but we are gonna be using this yarn just to compare it, okay? So this yarn is way thinner than this one. So this is much bulky, and they do have yarn that's thinner than this. So for a beginner like myself, when I was just starting, this would be really good yarn for you, okay? So as a beginner, you're gonna have to be undoing a lot of work. So it's something you cannot avoid. If you're a beginner, you're gonna be frogging that work. That's what they call like undoing the work. You're gonna be frogging a lot of work. So you have to make sure that you're getting yarn that you can comfortably undo and redo, and it's still good. You get what I'm saying? You're not gonna have a headache or stressed out. This is the yarn for you if you're looking for something like that. So I really did have to state that, so we can talk a little bit about what I've done so far. Yeah, let's Fancy girl. Boom, 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 boom. So yes, it is just a little swatch. So I did quite a few of these, about 25 of these, because I was making a blanket for my little baby. So I did do them in this color and this color. So this is the yarn that I'm reviewing. This is what's left from the 1 pound. It was basically the same size as this, and now this is what's left. So you can tell you can get good quality stuff from this. Like, it's not very big, but listen, for a little baby, 20 pieces of this, come on now. That's a good blanket. All right, so for all the folks who were wondering too, it is 100% acrylic. So this is acrylic yarn, and it's also really durable. I do want to take a little bit of time to talk about that, okay? So I did mention that I'm making a blanket, and I actually tested a bit of the fabric, the yarn. So one of these little swatches that I did, I went ahead to machine wash it to just kind of see what it would be like. And baby, this is looking so good. So I can definitely assure you, you can machine wash this fabric. So this yarn can be machine washed, which is really good, and it's not gonna like lose your stitches or start fraying. It's gonna still be intact, it's gonna still be good. So I did wanna, highlight that, just so that, when you make your stuff, you don't have to worry about hand washing everything. Basically, you can just pop it in the washing machine, you can pop it in the dryer. It's also tumble dryer safe. So I'm from Jamaica, we don't use dryers over here, so I wouldn't be able to test that. Well, we do use dryers, but I don't have a dryer personally at home. I just put my clothes on the line, girl. But so I wouldn't be able to speak much about the dryer section. It does state on the packaging though that you can dry it, but I prefer not to speak much about that because I didn't get to test that for myself per se. You get what I'm saying? But I can speak for the washing machine because baby. But the next thing we want to talk about is what you can make with this yarn. So I think it can be a bit intimidating at the start to just kind of look at a ball of yarn and just be like, okay, I'm gonna make this. But this yarn is actually really versatile, okay? So you can make your blankets, you can make your throws, you can make cushion covers. Listen, you can even make clothes. If you want to make one of those cute dresses, you want to make a cute little top, you want to make just about anything cute to put on your body like a garment. So definitely you should get this yarn. Like, I don't think you're gonna be disappointed. And even if you don't want it in the soft sage, I must say they do have a lot of different colors. Listen, they've got some poppin' colors. They've got some poppin' red, some poppin' blue, some berry stuff. They've got a lot of stuff going on. Just click that link down below in my bio. Thank you very much. It's also going to be pinned in the comments. Just click it up and go check it out, and you will not be disappointed. I promise you. You won't be disappointed. Like, they've got colors for everybody. You get what I'm saying? And the truth is, even if this yarn is not for you, that's totally fine. This is perfect for a beginner. Of course, persons who aren't beginners can use it, but this is perfect for a beginner, okay? But for now, I think I've said more than enough about this yarn for you to make an informed decision about your purchase, okay? So for right now, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to like the video, share it with all your friends, all your little crochet girlies, your little crochet brothers. Listen, share it. Inspire someone today to go purchase some yarn at a good price. Come on now. But shalom, friends. You have a blessed rest of your day.